Hello and welcome back to Lively Garden. My name is Vivian, and on this channel we share slow living and gardening content. If that's your vibe, please do hit the subscribe button. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to start up a garden step by step. Keep it here. Start with what you eat. This is the most important step, and most people miss it. Don't grow what doesn't serve you, grow what you actually eat. With so many people growing all these beautiful vegetables and fruits, I know it's so tempting to copy what others are growing, but don't copy them. Just because someone is growing strawberries or dragon fruit doesn't mean you need to. Grow what fits your lifestyle and your climate. Otherwise, you'll waste energy and space. In fact, what I did for myself, I sat down and I asked myself, what vegetable do I use every day? And the first one, of course, is onions. Onions I can use in breakfast, in my lunch, and in my dinner. So, onion is a must grow. Things like tomatoes. Tomatoes you can use again 3 times a day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So, tomatoes are a must. Things like spinach, things like kales, those are things that you find yourself eating even more than 3 times a week. So the best garden is the one that feeds you. Begin with what you actually eat. If you cook with tomatoes, buy what? Grow tomatoes, grow onions, grow spinach, grow those ones. If you love tea, herbs like mint will be a very good addition. Herbs like sage, lavender, chamomile. You see, so start with your plate, not Pinterest. Choose the right space. Once you know what to grow, the next thing is choosing the right space. You don't need a big shamba to start. You can grow food in a small backyard, balcony, windowsill, containers, buckets, grow bags, or raised beds like the ones I use in my garden. What matters most is sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, so observe your space and find where the sun hits best. I use raised beds, one because my space is not big, and also it gives me better soil control, so it helps me prevent soil erosion and everything is just contained in one space. Get your containers or garden beds ready. Once you've picked your spot, it's time to get your growing area ready. If you're using containers, make sure they have drainage holes at the bottom. Make sure they're deep enough for the crop you're planting. Also, they can be recycled buckets like the ones I'm using. You can use sacks or pots, anything that holds soil and drains well. Containers are also perfect for starting seedlings, especially for seeds which are not sown directly in the ground. So you start them in small pots and then transplant them when they are strong enough. Step 4. Plant your seeds or seedlings. Now it's time to plant. The most important thing is start by choosing quality seeds. This makes a big difference in how healthy and productive your plants will be. Avoid expired or poorly stored seeds. Look for ones from trusted suppliers or local seed companies that understand your climate. Step 5. Water consistently. Watering is key and the secret is consistency. But don't overwater or underwater. The soil should stay moist, not soaking wet. A good rule, stick your finger in the soil. If it feels dry up to your first knuckle, it's time to water. Morning is the best time to water before the sun gets too hot. This gives the plant time to absorb moisture and reduce evaporation. If you're using containers or raised beds, they tend to dry out faster, so check them more often. Step 6. Show your plants love. Plants respond to love and attention just like people. Check on your garden every day. I know every day might sound like a lot. Even if it's just 5 minutes, take a walk, touch the leaves, Look under them and see how everything is doing. Remove weeds, support plants that are falling over, and keep an eye out for pests or dryness. Some gardeners even talk to their plants and they say it works. I don't know. If you're a gardener and you talk to your plants, please let us know in the comment section. The last step is to harvest. This is the most rewarding part, the harvest. So pick your veggies when they are ready. Don't wait too long, especially with leafy greens. The more you harvest, the more the plant grows back. It's nature's way of saying, thank you, gardener. In the garden, we keep learning. So keep learning and growing. Gardening is a journey. Not everything will go perfectly, and that's okay. Sometimes seeds won't sprout, sometimes pests will surprise you, but every season teaches you something new. So keep learning, keep planting, and keep growing. Not just your food, but yourself too. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, welcome to the Lively Garden family. I'm so glad you're here. To all my returning viewers, thank you for your continued support, your comments, likes, and shares. They mean the world to me. We are still on the road to 6K subscribers. Actually, one of you commented and told me, Vivian, it's not 6K, it's 10K, and that melted my heart. So thank you so much. We'll definitely get there. I also have a small growing community of Lively Gardeners Club. If you'd like to join us, just leave a comment below and I'll let you know how. And if you'd like to see more of my day-to-day garden life, follow me on TikTok, lively.garden, and on Instagram _lively garden. Let's keep growing together, one plant at a time.